Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Cold air has returned and it will be sticking around for a few days here, and we still have a few just kind of light lingering rain showers across the region, I-20 and southward. That does include the Shreveport area, and for the most part today the rain showers will be confined to Louisiana and East Texas, but rain chance is going to increase for the rest of us after sunset. So if you're along the I-30 corridor, you will see those mostly cloudy to overcast conditions. Actually won't rule out maybe just a little bit of sunshine north of I-30, but you see the rest of us just still dealing with some clouds and some rainfall. There will be some more rain that develops back here between Dallas and Austin during the day today that will then move across the Arklatex this afternoon, this evening, and into tonight. So we're not done with the rainfall quite yet. Cold air making its way back in. We're in the 40s across the region. We'll likely see a few areas dip into the 30s before sunrise, and there is a breezy, just kind of northeast wind, about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we are going to continue to see those breezy conditions throughout the morning. We may see a few wind gusts in the 20 mile per hour range, and then the wind should gradually come back down this afternoon before the winds pick back up tonight and tomorrow. So we do have a bit of a wind chill. Just feel like it's in the 30s in a few areas, including Texarkana. So make sure you have a jacket. And if you're I-20 and southward, take an umbrella with you today, as this is where the rain is likely going to stay through the daylight hours. Not seeing any thunderstorms. There's no any kind of severe weather threat today, but we'll continue to see these showers move west to east across our East Texas counties and Louisiana parishes through the morning and into the afternoon as well. Light accumulations today, but if we do pick up any heavy rain, it will likely be a little bit later this evening and into tonight. Temperatures not going to budge much today, so it is going to be a cold, breezy, kind of overcast day for us, as we'll have temperatures start out in the 40s and kind of wind up in the 40s in most areas this afternoon. A little bit of sunshine today north of I-30 may push us to near 50 into Queen, but still very cold there. 40s for the I-20 corridor and 52 your high today in Manny. Here's a look at Futurecast. It does show the rain continuing here across the I-20 corridor this morning. Be kind of in and out of it. I don't expect that we'll see steady rain develop through the morning, but that will change as we hit the afternoon hours, and notice the rain starting to push to the north here. This takes us to about 10 o'clock tonight, so that's when we'll likely see some of that rain push up towards the Texarkana area. So we are going to see quite a bit of rainfall out there tonight through tomorrow morning, and it looks like the rain will probably wrap up in most locations by noon tomorrow. We'll have some lingering clouds tomorrow afternoon, but here comes the dry air. We'll finally see some sunshine for the first time this week for many of us as we move through the day Friday, but it will be fairly short-lived as we're looking at the clouds building back in Saturday before an additional rain chance on Sunday. So additional rain just today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. We could see some 1 to 2 inch accumulations, I-20 in southward. So again, some isolated flash flooding issues will be possible if we do see any thunderstorms develop. Again, no severe weather threat for us, but we could see some persistent rain lead to some, again, maybe 2 inch totals south of I-20 across the Toledo Bend region. Generally Texarkana, maybe a ½ inch of rain I-30 and northward. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. It will show the sun popping back out Friday. Very cold day tomorrow as well. Will likely be a little bit cooler with highs in the 40s. And again, as we head into the weekend, keeping it dry Saturday, but showers look likely for us on Sunday. At this point, doesn't look like we'll see any bouts of heavy rain on Sunday, but there will be some rain out there. So if you're headed out to the Highland Parade, just keep checking back with the forecast here. And it looks like we'll start out next week at least dry most areas Monday and Tuesday. Forecast models kind of split after that. The American model showing dry conditions through the middle of next week, but the European model, showing the dry conditions, but the American model is showing an additional system moving in midweek next week. So a lot of confidence in the forecast through Sunday. After that, it does get a little bit muddled.